Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. Dear friends, in this video, I will talk about operator and JavaScript. If you watch this video till the end, then you will learn what is operator. Second, you will learn about arithmetic operators and JavaScript. So first, let us see what is operator. In fact, operator is nothing but the way of performing operation between two or more numbers and variables. Now let us practically see a small example of operator. In programming language, this sign is called operator, and value at both sides of this operator is called operands. The result of 5 plus 5 will be stored in this variable. The name of variable is addition. Now by using document.write method, we can display the result of addition variable on screen. Now let us practically see, can we display the value of addition variable on web browser screen or not. Now let us save the file and see what is displayed on web browser screen. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, web browser displayed the result of a variable called addition, which is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Now let us see what is arithmetic operator. In fact, these are arithmetic operators, and these are the name of these operators. Arithmetic operator is used for performing arithmetic operation between two or more numbers. Now let us see a small example of adding two numbers. Let us start coding. Let us change title of document to. Now let us use script tag and body section. Now let us add two numbers, 5 plus 10. Now let us store the result of 5 plus 10 in a variable. Let us create variable. Let us set the name of variable sum of Now by using document.write method, let us display the value of sum of two numbers. Now let us save the file. As you can see, by using addition operator, we could add two numbers successfully. Okay guys, this was the explanation and example of operator and arithmetic operators and JavaScript. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.